For this project, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a Pentalobe screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a case opening tool, and a printable screw organizer sheet. Links to all these will be provided in the video description below. Using your Pentalobe screwdriver, remove the bottom two screws. Remove the back cover by sliding and lifting up. Remove these two screws that hold down the battery connector. Disconnect the battery cable and lift the tab to remove the battery. Using a flathead screwdriver, disconnect this cable. Remove these two screws and the cover. Gently remove this cable and pry it back. Remove these next three screws. Remove the speaker assembly from the housing. Remove these next 5 screws. Remove this shield. Remove this next screw and clip. Disconnect these next 5 cables, including the camera module. Disconnect this small cable. This next screw is covered by tape. Remove the tape and then remove the screw. Remove these next 2 screws using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the SIM tray using a paper clip or the SIM removal tool. You should now be able to easily remove the main board. We're now going to remove the screws that are located at each of the corners. This last screw is covered by tape. Remove the tape, then remove the screw. These next 3 screws, you can remove them completely or just unscrew them one full turn. Remove the vibration module. It's only held in by some adhesive. Just like this side, there are going to be 3 screws. You can completely remove them or you can loosen them one full turn. We're now ready to remove the screen. Using a case opener tool, gently slide it around the sides, loosening the adhesive. Gently lift the screen out and guiding the cables through the hole that's in the frame. If you're using a printable screw organizer sheet, it should look something like this. We're going to reuse the ear mesh, remove it from the old screen, and place it onto the new screen. We're now ready to reassemble the phone. Carefully guide the cables through the chassis, being careful not to pinch the ribbon cable. Make sure it goes all the way through. Once you got the cables all the way through, line up the mounting brackets and make sure that it's flush. Once you have the screen flush with the chassis, tighten up these next 6 screws. Place these screws back at each of the corners. Place back the speaker module. Place back the vibration module. Place back the mainboard. Place back all the screws and all the connectors. Put the back cover on and slide it into place. Place the 2 screws at the bottom using the Pentalobe screwdriver.